What's up, guys? It's me, Bella, and today I have these slimes in these can shapes, and I bought them from the store. Purple, orange, pink, yellow, and blue. My mom's about to come in. All right, she's in, and let's do orange first. It's clear with silver glitters. Plop this off. Oh, it did plop. Come out. Okay. Wow. Oh, that was loud. Alrighty. Get it out. I'm using one hand because I'm vlogging, of course. Come on. Yes. There's the container. Crystal mud. So this is called crystal mud, but it's just slime with silver glitters in it. Okay, well, I guess that's our first crystal mud. Close it. Cap. Next color we go. Okay, I'm gonna go eeny, meeny, miny, mo, but not the pink and the yellow. Not this, we already used it. So only these two. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the tail. If you haven't letting go, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alright, blue. Bye. Ah! No, pink. Let me grab that. Little pink slime. Gotcha. Alrighty, we got the colors back. We're gonna open the blue. You're gonna go here. Ah, it's so hard. Okay, wait. Okay, finally got it. There you go. And it's just blue. Wait, no! You almost ran away, purple. Let me just get this blue, dark blue slime. And it has, what colors are those? Let me see. It's just blue. Just plain blue. This was orange. This was clear. This is yellow. I think this pink. Alrighty, this is a cool slime. There's a hair on my phone. I thought it was on the slime. There's a hair on my phone. Alrighty. The other's hands. Time to feel this. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh, there is blue. I was right. I just guessed. Alright. Ooh, it's super watery. Looks like water. Feels a bit like water, and it smells, let's see, disgusting, but it's good. Alrighty, let's add it in. Oh, slime. No, not that. Okay, we already done these. Now to the favorites. Did we already do purple? No, we didn't do purple yet. Ready? Ooh, red. I'm gonna touch it with the scissors. Oh no, pink, don't run away. Again. Okay. I'm gonna just why is there only a bit of slime in there? Alrighty, grab that. Let me see what kind of glitters this have. Let me see. Just orange. plain slime. Oh, we didn't get some of it out. Hey! Ah. Perfect. Now, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If it harms letting go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. This one, and that's last. Is that yellow, or is it just the color of the cup? Come on, this can't go on. Let me show you guys how to open it, if I can. Come on.
Day.
Finally opened.
Budgetin mo yung bakon mo, ha? Opo. Kompleto ka sa pagkain, diba? Opo.
Alright.
Budgetin mo.
Now,
50 pesos a day ka, pamasahe. Kung
we're going to place it.
O 10.
Is this the only one that's gooey and globby?
Hindi po. Naglalakad po ako.
Unlike the other ones. This is so satisfying. Let me get this out. Got it out, and it's so satisfying. I already touched it a few times after. Look how stretchy. Wow, it's such a nice slime. It's not my favorite color, but it's fine. I think that yellow matches really good with pink. Did they? I don't know. You guys comment down below. But if you don't, it's okay. What about pink with purple? You guys like that? Okay, comment both down below. This is such a cool slime. Now, what if the pink is the same as this yellow? That would be amazing. But if it isn't, I still love pink. That opened pretty easy. Oh, it's a normal slime. It's okay. Well, come on. My favorite is the pink and the yellow because the yellow is very stretchy and pink is my favorite color. Perfect. It's just slime, just like the others. Winners. Anyway, my most hated is actually the orange cap because it's just some glitters that look like brown pieces of dust. And then I don't really like the purple because the red, there's just like a teeny bit inside and there's not even a lot. And the blue, I don't really like it because there's just plain glitters that are blue too as this. So yeah. And I like this one because it's stretchy, and I like this one because it's pink, of course. So I'm gonna start playing with this. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment that favorite color. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified and see my new videos like this one. Bye.